More and more older homeowners are opting to stay in their family homes rather than move into a senior care facility. Some are wondering, how will they pay for those expenses on a limited budget? I'm talking about housing, medical, and even home renovation projects that allow them to age in place. These costs can add up and quickly exceed the homeowner's regular income. It can be a sad and disappointing situation for some homeowners, but imagine what it would be like if you had the freedom to stay in your home. Well, for those of you who are 62 years of age and older and still live in your home, there could be a solution that gives you that very option. Hi, I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker in West Hills, California. I work with Los Angeles area homeowners to answer their questions and move through the uncertainties of real estate and lending so they can make decisions with confidence. In this video today, I'd like to share a success story with you. Recently, I worked with the daughter of an elderly woman. She called to ask me about a reverse mortgage loan for her mother. She wanted to know how reverse mortgage loans work and if it would be a good idea for their circumstances. You see, her mother was getting older and had some health issues where regular care was needed. More than anything, she wanted to allow her mom to keep her independence and stay in her home for the remaining years of her life. The problem was, mom lives on a limited monthly income. It was not enough to cover the preferred in-home care on top of the regular monthly expenses. Plus, the daughter wanted to make a few home improvements to help mom be more comfortable while she lived there and for when it was time to sell the house in the future. So now that you know the backstory, what exactly is a reverse mortgage loan? In the simplest of terms, it is a home loan that allows you as the homeowner, age 62 and older, to access equity in your home without making a monthly mortgage payment for as long as you live in the home. The amount of equity available to you is based on a variety of factors, and there are guidelines that you have to qualify for in order to be approved. Now, I must admit, in the past, I was not a fan of reverse mortgages. I had heard stories of people being taken advantage of, and I did not want any part of that. I felt these loans could be complicated to understand. There's a lot of paperwork, and it's important that the borrower reads and understands everything, understands all of their options and exactly how these loans work. And some reverse mortgages can take months to complete, and that can be very frustrating for homeowners. But in this case, I happen to have a prior working relationship with the daughter who called me. She trusted me and asked for help. She was curious and wanted to know more. She was responsible for handling her mom's affairs, and she was competent to handle all the details of these types of loans. And me, not being one to turn someone away if there's anything at all I can do to be of service, I agreed to help. So to make a long story short, 3 months later, this loan closed successfully. The keys to their success were knowledge and patience. The daughter went through the reverse mortgage loan process and took care of everything for her mother. They got the loan they were expecting with terms that meet their immediate and their future needs. Imagine their relief to feel safe and financially secure in their own home while mom ages in place. I call that a win. As for me, this reverse mortgage success story changed my mind about reverse mortgage loans. As with any home loan, it can be the right loan for any borrower who clearly understands what they're getting. It's really no different than any loan out there. A conventional FHA, VA, home equity line, adjustable rate mortgage, any loan, and there are a lot of them out there to choose from. The take home is, if you understand the terms and your responsibility, then yes, a reverse mortgage loan can be a good idea for the right borrower. Helping all you homeowners close the loan that is best suited for your situation is what we do at Huntington Group. If you would like to know more about reverse mortgage loans, post reverse in the comments and I'll send you a copy of the Reverse Mortgage Discussion Guide from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. As always, please feel free to reach out to me with your California real estate and lending questions. Again, I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker in West Hills, California. I give you the keys to sell, buy, and finance your house so you can make your next move with confidence.